Hi everyone, I'm Ben from SalesSPACE and this is another weekly tech tip. Today's tech tip is about logging calls using the Zoho CRM Mobile App. So first thing we need to do is download the mobile app. So you can do that by going to the Zoho CRM website, and then if you go to the features drop down, then mobile CRM app, it'll take you to this page where you've got the links to the App Store or the Google Store. Okay, so once it's downloaded onto our mobile phone, we'll open up the app and we'll call it the contact. So I'll just go to recording. Okay, so I've opened up the mobile app here. Firstly, I'll search for the contact. And down the bottom, there's a phone icon. So I'll click on the phone icon and that'll call the number that I've got in the CRM for this particular contact. So then it opens up the phone app. We make the call. Then it asks us if we'd like to log it. So we'll say yes. Then we can put in some information about the call that just happened. So first thing is putting in a subject, just to describe the call. So I'm using the keyboard on the phone in this case. Next we can categorize it. So what was the purpose of the call? So I've got some options here. That was a tech support call. And now I need to put in the result of the call. And I'm going to use voice to text. So I use the little microphone button on my phone keyboard. And I'll just talk out some notes. And it automatically puts that in there as text. And then you can see once that's been saved, it appears against my contact down there under calls. So that's a type of activity. And then this will also be available in the CRM if I'm using that on my desktop as well. So it's nice and simple. It's a really good way to keep all of those call activities logged against your contacts. So the next time you go and speak to that person, you can see the history of all the calls that you've had with them in the past. So I hope that's been useful, and we'll see you next time.